1. Make your own soap. In times when every penny counts, one of the best frugal living tips harkens back to the Great Depression: making your own soap. Today, we often opt for convenient liquid soap, but it's pricier and runs out faster. Crafting your soap isn't just a money saver, it's surprisingly simple and cost-effective. With basic ingredients costing mere pennies, you can create your soap tailored to your preferences. To begin, gather ingredients like lye, oils, and scents. The process involves mixing, heating, and pouring into molds. As your soap cures, you'll be left with homemade bars that outlast their liquid counterparts. Plus, it's a sustainable and customizable option for those looking to minimize their expenses while taking control of their household essentials. 2. Keep warm with a hot water bottle at night. An old-fashioned yet effective money-saving tip from the Great Depression era is to use a hot water bottle to stay warm at night. In today's world of high energy bills, this simple trick can significantly reduce heating costs. The Department of Energy confirms that heating is often the most substantial monthly home expense. Instead of relying solely on your heating system, try this cost-efficient alternative. Fill a hot water bottle with hot water before bedtime and place it in your bed. The bottle will radiate warmth, allowing you to reduce the use of your heater during the night, saving both energy and money. Embracing such time-tested practices not only cuts costs, but also pays homage to the resourcefulness of past generations. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am frugal" in the comments below. 3. Start a vegetable garden. During the Great Depression, when money was scarce, many turned to vegetable gardens to supplement their diets and reduce grocery expenses. Today, this frugal living tip remains highly relevant. Starting a vegetable garden can help you save on grocery bills while providing fresh, homegrown produce. You don't need a vast backyard. Even a small balcony or window ledge can host pots of tomatoes, peppers, or herbs. Gardening offers the satisfaction of growing your food and the added bonus of reducing your reliance on store-bought vegetables. It's not just about saving money, it's about embracing a sustainable, self-sufficient lifestyle that connects you to the past while securing your financial future. 4. Upcycle furniture. In an age where furniture shopping can be costly, upcycling offers a budget-friendly alternative with a touch of creativity. The concept of upcycling, rooted in the frugal wisdom of the Great Depression era, involves transforming old or discarded furniture into stylish, functional pieces. You can often find secondhand furniture for free or at a fraction of the cost. With a bit of sanding, painting, and maybe some new hardware, you can breathe new life into these items. Upcycling not only saves you money, but also reduces waste and contributes to a sustainable lifestyle. By learning the art of upcycling, you can furnish your space affordably while adding your unique flair to your decor. 5. Learn a few sewing skills. During the Great Depression, the ability to mend clothing was a valuable skill. Today, learning basic sewing skills can help you save money and reduce your environmental footprint. You don't need to be a master seamstress, but knowing how to sew on a button, repair a small tear, or hem pants can extend the lifespan of your clothes. Instead of discarding damaged garments and buying replacements, you can make minor repairs, saving both money and resources. Additionally, sewing can be a creative outlet, allowing you to personalize your clothing and accessories. Embracing these frugal sewing skills connects you to a time when resourcefulness was essential, and it empowers you to make more sustainable choices in your daily life. 6. Purchase a whole chicken. In today's fast-paced world, many opt for the convenience of pre-cut and boneless chicken parts. However, harking back to the frugal wisdom of the Great Depression, buying a whole chicken can be a cost-effective and sustainable choice. Surprisingly, a whole chicken often costs the same as or even less than its pre-cut counterparts. The benefits extend beyond affordability. When you buy a whole chicken, you're not just getting one meal, you're potentially securing 3. You can enjoy a dinner tonight, leftovers for lunch tomorrow, and then use the bones to make a flavorful homemade chicken stock. This approach not only stretches your budget, but also minimizes food waste and embraces the resourcefulness of generations past. 7. Eat less meat. Meat tends to be one of the costliest items on a grocery list. Reflecting on the frugal living tips from the Great Depression, reducing meat consumption can significantly impact your budget while aligning with a more sustainable lifestyle. Consider incorporating alternative protein sources like lentils, beans, eggs, or fish into your diet. Beyond the financial benefits, consuming less meat is also an environmentally conscious choice. Livestock farming has a substantial ecological footprint, so opting for plant-based proteins can contribute to reducing your carbon footprint. By embracing this frugal habit, you not only save money, but also play a part in protecting the planet. 8. Cook with leftovers. In an era of quick takeout and meal delivery, the art of cooking with leftovers may have diminished, but it remains a powerful tool for frugal living. During the Great Depression, people had to make the most of every meal, and this practice can help you save money and reduce food waste today. Rather than discarding leftover food, get creative in the kitchen. Leftover vegetables can become a hearty soup or stir-fry, and yesterday's roast chicken can transform into a delicious sandwich or salad. By repurposing leftovers, you not only minimize your grocery expenses, but also maximize the value of your meals, all while honoring the frugal spirit of the past. Congratulations! You've completed half of the frugal living tips from the Great Depression era. The next half is packed with more valuable and exciting content. So let's dive into the rest of the video together, and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. 9. Make a herb garden. Fresh herbs can add flavor and depth to your meals, but buying them at the grocery store can be surprisingly expensive. A frugal living tip from the Great Depression era is to create your herb garden. Herbs are easy to cultivate, even in small spaces like windowsills or balconies. By growing your herbs, you not only save money, but also ensure a ready supply of fresh flavors for your cooking. From basil and mint to rosemary and thyme, a homegrown herb garden can elevate your culinary creations, while reducing your reliance on store-bought herbs, which often come in single-use plastic packaging. Embracing this practice connects you to the resourcefulness of the past and adds a touch of freshness to your meals. 10. Buy reusable products. Disposable products have become ubiquitous in modern life, but during the Great Depression, people relied on reusable items out of necessity. Revisiting this frugal habit not only helps you save money, but also reduces waste and environmental impact. Consider making the switch to cloth napkins and towels instead of disposable paper versions. If you're a coffee drinker, opt for a reusable coffee filter rather than disposable paper filters or single-use pods. These small changes in your daily routine can lead to significant long-term savings while contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Embracing reusable products aligns with the resourcefulness of the past and empowers you to make choices that benefit both your wallet and the planet. 11. Look through the pantry before going to the store. In today's world of convenience and instant gratification, a simple yet effective frugal living tip from the Great Depression era is often overlooked. Shopping your pantry before heading to the store. This practice can lead to substantial savings on your grocery bills. Before making a shopping list or venturing out to buy ingredients for your next meal, take a few moments to assess what you already have in your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer. By doing so, you can plan meals around existing ingredients, minimizing the need to purchase additional items. This approach not only reduces food waste, but also cuts down on impulse purchases and unplanned spending. Embracing this frugal habit encourages mindful consumption and resourcefulness, enabling you to make the most of what you already have while saving money. 12. Do all your errands one day a week or less. During the Great Depression, the absence of 24/7 convenience stores and the need to conserve resources led to a habit that can still benefit us today: bundling errands and shopping trips into one day a week or less. This approach can result in significant savings, both in time and money. By planning your errands strategically, you can reduce the number of trips you make, thus saving on gas and transportation costs. Additionally, limiting your visits to stores reduces the temptation for impulse purchases, helping you stick to your budget. This frugal practice encourages efficiency and mindfulness, ultimately contributing to better financial management. Embracing the wisdom of the past by consolidating your errands can lead to more substantial savings and a less hectic lifestyle. 13. Track your spending. One of the most fail-safe ways to save money is by tracking your spending meticulously. This practice involves monitoring where your money goes each month, ensuring that it aligns with your budgetary goals. While it may seem straightforward, it's often overlooked in the digital age. To track your spending effectively, you can use various tools such as budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or a spending journal. The goal is to identify areas where you may be overspending and make necessary adjustments to cut out unnecessary expenses. By embracing this frugal habit, you gain a clear understanding of your financial habits, empowering you to make informed decisions about your money. This practice ensures that your finances align with your goals and priorities, whether it's saving for the future, paying off debt, or achieving other financial milestones. 14. Invest in quality slow fashion. The fast fashion industry has become synonymous with cheap and disposable clothing. However, adopting a more frugal and sustainable approach involves investing in quality slow fashion. This means purchasing durable, well-made clothing that lasts longer and is less likely to wear out or go out of style quickly. While slow fashion may come with a higher upfront cost, the long-term savings are significant. Quality garments tend to require fewer replacements, reducing your overall clothing expenses. Additionally, many slow fashion brands focus on ethical and sustainable production, aligning with environmentally conscious practices. By embracing slow fashion, you not only save money over time, but also contribute to a more sustainable and responsible approach to clothing consumption, which is mindful of both your wallet and the planet. 15. Wear clothes more than once before washing. In an age of abundant laundry facilities, it's common to wash clothing after every wear. However, revisiting a frugal living tip from the Great Depression era encourages wearing clothes more than once before laundering them. This simple practice can lead to significant savings in terms of water, energy, and detergent costs. Not all clothing items require washing after every wear. Items like jeans, sweaters, and pajamas can often be worn multiple times before needing a wash, provided they are not visibly soiled or odorous. By reducing the frequency of laundry, you not only save money but also minimize your environmental impact. Embracing this frugal habit fosters a more sustainable approach to clothing care, aligning with the resourcefulness of past generations while benefiting your budget and the planet. There you have it, a treasure trove of timeless frugal living tips inspired by the Great Depression era. If you found these frugal living tips valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more money-saving and life-enriching content that empowers you to make mindful financial choices while connecting with the wisdom of the past.